You guys, my morning routine, I start with, I do my skincare, and then after that I use this that I just put here to keep the foundation on, and then I put on Lancome Stent Idol all over concealer in the color Ivory W. So I use this one. Then I just put it all over here. And this is what I use in the morning, especially when you didn't sleep that nice. Then I use that one. And then for foundation, I'm going to use Lancome Stent Idol Care and Glow. This one I really love. The other one that I have, which is this one, the old one, or not the old one, the other one. This one is sometimes, especially in the winter, then my face is a bit dry, so when I put that one on, it also makes everything else dry on my face. So in the winter I use this one, because in the summer it gets very oily. Na die harde reën is dit verby en nou het ons die vuur aangesteek. Te lekker, en so lyk die weer. Jou armpie so.
Toe hy daar kom, dit was
Lê, sussie, lê. Woe!
straat af.
Ja, maar dit lyk mooi met die berg. En daar. Hierdie is 'n restaurantplek, Cranberry. Hulle maak lekker kos.
Voorberei groot.
En hier is ons in die middel van die dorp. Ek dink so. Dis ons hier in die middel van die dorpie. Maar dit is cool want hier is net berge om ons. Kyk, ons is in 'n vlei. Ek gaan nou vir julle die vlei wys.
Papa, kyk daar.
Ja, so
En hy loop so half in die middel van die dorp.